My people, I dey throwaway salute to. Today na day 48 of Everyday Bible with Ada Ukabia. We are to read Leviticus chapter 14 and 15 only before we watch today's video. After the priest don confirm say the person wey get the skin disease dey clean, they need to carry out cleansing and purification. The items wey dem need to use, the 2 birds, the wood, the scarlet yarn, and the hyssop, dem play very significant roles. The 2 birds wey dem go use represent death and life. So one dey substitute for the other, just like Jesus died for our sins. Then we have the cedar wood. That one na very tall wood wey dey elevate above others, just like Jesus is majestic. And it dey represent purification and protection because the wood dey very resistant to diseases. The scarlet yarn na symbol for blood atonement. We also have the hyssop. That one na special herb for purification, and na the same herb wey dem use take dip into vinegar to feed Jesus when he asked for water on the cross. So everything they relate to Jesus Christ. The hyssop also represents or na symbol for humility. The fresh water wey dem go use for this purification, it has to be water where they continuously flow, like spring water. Remember, Jesus is the living water that we have, that we can rely on, that will never go thirsty when we drink it. As we move on to taking care or getting rid of mold or mildew in a house, that one they reflect to also our spiritual life. Now, the way we supposed handle sin for our life, because sin they create division between us and God, whether inside the house or inside church or inside our community. The leader must help that person get restoration, become purified. If the person still they stubborn and refuse to be remorseful, they will just send that person outside the community so he no go contaminate the rest of the people. In chapter 15, we can see all the different instances where person will feel they unclean, as long as you remove a fluid from the body, whether not clean fluid or diseased fluid, like sexually transmitted diseases. If you pay close attention to the regulations about discharges wey come up from the body, you can see say when it concerns sexual relationship with a married couple, they no suppose do sin offering because no be sin. They only wash their body and then after 7 days, they're clean. If the woman, they on her menstrual flow, no be sin. So she don't go do sin offering. So sexual relationship within marriage, menstrual flow from a woman, no be sin. Now only when the discharge from the body, they unusual, they unregular, now go come do sin offering. Remember, the whole idea is not to mix holy with unholy things. Since God, they dwell within people at this time, then they walk around with his presence. At the end of chapter 15, he said, if these regulations, they no keep on well, then we die.